Well, as you use your soldering iron, you may find that the tip starts to adhere less well to the solder, or it starts to show little black spots or discoloration, perhaps even a rusty appearance. When that occurs, the tin coating on the tip is beginning to deteriorate, and you need to refresh it. And we do so by tinning the tip. In order to do so, we have to break up whatever kind of oxide coating is forming on the tip, and we use different types of materials. This is a block of sal ammoniac, which is going to generate ammonia vapors that will allow us to disintegrate the oxide layers and reapply tin to the tip. So we begin by heating the block of ammoniac. And in doing so, once it begins to generate vapors, we flow some solder to the tip. And this will wear away any of the oxides that have formed. And when we finish, I wipe the iron on the wet sponge. And now we have a nice, brand new, shiny tip.